How to fix someone that lies too much. Dealing with someone who lies excessively can be challenging, but there are a few strategies you can use to help address the behavior. 1. Confront the person. Be honest with the person and confront them about their lying behavior. Explain how their lies have affected you and others around them. Use specific examples to help them understand the impact of their behavior. 2. Identify the root cause. Try to identify the underlying reason for the person's lying behavior. Are they lying to avoid consequences, to gain attention, or to protect their ego? Once you understand the root cause, you can work on addressing it. 3. Encourage honesty. Encourage the person to be honest and open about their thoughts and feelings. Praise them for being truthful and make it clear that honesty is valued and appreciated. 4. Set consequences. Set consequences for lying behavior and follow through on them. For example, if the person lies about completing a task, they may need to redo it or face other consequences. 5. Seek professional help. If the person's lying behavior is persistent and affecting their personal or professional life, it may be helpful to seek the help of a therapist or counselor who can work with them to address the behavior. It's important to approach the situation with empathy and understanding, while also being firm about the need for honesty and trust. With time and patience, you may be able to help the person overcome their lying behavior and build more positive and trusting relationships. Here's an example scenario of how to fix someone who lies too much. Let's say you are a manager and you have an employee who frequently lies about completing their work on time. This behavior has started to affect the team's productivity and morale. Here's how you could address the situation. 1. Confront the person. Schedule a private meeting with the employee and explain how their lying behavior has affected you and the team. Provide specific examples of instances when the employee has lied about completing their work. 2. Identify the root cause. Ask the employee why they feel the need to lie. Perhaps they are struggling to manage their workload, or they are afraid of admitting their mistakes. Listen to their perspective and try to understand the underlying reasons for their behavior. 3. Encourage honesty. Let the employee know that honesty is valued and appreciated in the workplace. Praise them when they are truthful and encourage them to come forward if they are struggling to meet a deadline. 4. Set consequences. Let the employee know that lying behavior is not acceptable in the workplace and that there will be consequences for it. For example, if they lie about completing their work, they may need to redo it or face other consequences. 5. Follow up. Check in with the employee regularly to see how they are doing and if they are meeting their deadlines. Provide additional support or resources if needed. By taking these steps, you can help the employee understand the impact of their lying behavior and encourage them to be more honest and trustworthy in the workplace. This can lead to a more positive and productive work environment where everyone feels valued and respected.